Well, we've been driving for 8 hours,
Stopped for lunch.
something like that. We stopped really for lunch, and what a way to top off the last dinner on this trip. But at where are we? The Big Texan.
The Big Texan.
Where if you eat the 8,000-pound steak, you get it for free.
The 72-ouncer, I am not going to try it. I would have to prep for days.
Yeah, not eating a 72-ounce steak. Probably going to have steak, though. Of course, this encapsulates all that Kirsten loves and enjoys. Big papier-mâché animals outdoors. There's a cow and armadillo and some other stuff. Then, of course, the place is plastered with taxidermy on the inside.
And the taxidermy has Christmas lights on it also, to be clear.
And, of course, then you top it off with a Zoltar and a pappy machine and a flat penny machine.
And the pappy made flat pennies, which is a big deal. I've never seen one of those. And there is a jackalope in the gift shop that's like a mounted head. He's not for sale, otherwise I would have inquired.
So basically,
it's my happy place.
It's her nirvana after a long day of driving. Apologize for yesterday's video not getting up. No internet on the reservation, but just a long day of driving today.
For that matter, but
yeah, or in Albuquerque. Just a long day of driving. We're going to top it off here. We have one more stop before home tomorrow. But again, what a happy surprise that Kirsten gets to eat dinner at her nirvana of all things Kirsten.
We passed this last year, and I had a small heart attack in the car.
Not from the steak, though.
He said, "We're not stopping." Famous words. Our Lady's coming.
Well, we're staying in Armadillo.
Right, straws and silverware, right there. Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much.
We get to keep the menus. I'm gonna frame these at home.
There you
What's
go.
this?
That's another version of the menu with the beers and the desserts on the back.
Oh,
the desserts were the slices of cake are larger than Kirsten's skull.
They're very, very large. And they also have Texas gelato, which I find confusing. Unless there's a, contingency of Italians here in Texas that are making all that.
So for anyone who hasn't eaten here, you should try it. Looks interesting. Comes well reviewed. If you've been here, you know what we're experiencing right now. I hope to make it out alive without her purchasing a lot of large taxidermy. Have you been training for this?
No. Just watch YouTube.
Just jumping in. 22 minutes in. How you doing, big guy?
Pretty good.
You gonna nail this? All right, I'll be back. Think he practiced?
You have to train for that. You have to practice eating lots of food. Like the Man versus Food guy. You ever watch him?
No. Her question.
I love the Man versus Food guy.
All right, everybody give Cruz a round of applause for trying.
Picky, picky, picky.
Good night, Kirsten.
Good night, camera. I'm gonna have steak.